Welcome! Today we will be learning how to make a beautiful handmade Mother's Day card. Here we go. You're going to need some white and red construction paper. I have 2 white papers and 1 red. You're also going to need markers. I'm going to be using red and pink. You're also going to need safety scissors. And you'll need some glue as well. I'm going to be using stick glue. Alright, you're going to go ahead and start off by grabbing the white piece of paper first. You're going to fold it in half like a letter or a card. Then you're going to open it up and you're going to fold it just about 2 inches in. Make sure that it's completely even because we're going to fold it again. You're going to take that back flap and you're going to fold it backwards, just like that. And I'll show you exactly how it's supposed to look. You should have a little piece of paper just hidden and tucked away. Go ahead and grab a red marker. We're gonna put on the words mothers. For Happy Mother's Day, we're gonna do mothers first. I'm still holding the paper folded so that there's a piece of paper still missing. I'm writing the mothers over that little line to make sure that there is a big space in between the letters when we open the card. Once you're done, your paper should look like this when you unfold it. A big space in between the word mothers. Once you're done, make sure to keep that paper unfolded and grab another color. I'm using pink. In a different font or handwriting, I'm going to be writing the words happy right before the word mothers. Your happy should look something like this. Once you're done with the word happy, we're going to move on to the word day. You're going to write it with the same font as you did happy on the other side of the word mothers. Once you're done with that, your letter should look something like this. Happy Mother's Day with that big space. Then you're going to take a smaller red marker and you're going to write mother in between the word mothers in cursive. If you cannot write cursive, you can also do it in a smaller regular letter font. Once you're done, your letter should look like this. Next, we're going to grab our red piece of paper and we're going to fold it in half like a hot dog and then in half again, like a hamburger. Then I'm going to outline half of a heart. The reason that I'm doing half is so that when I cut it, it comes out as a whole heart and it is completely even. Make sure that you cut along the side that has the fold. your heart should look something like this. And you should have come out with 2 hearts. You're going to want to cut that heart just a little bit smaller. What we want to do is we want to make this heart pop out of the card. So we're going to grab some paper, we're going to cut it, and we're going to fold it like an accordion. If folded correctly, when you open it back up, it should look like a zigzag. Make sure to do this to 2 pieces of papers, as you're going to need to put both of them on each side of the heart so that the heart can pop out. Next, you're going to go ahead and glue those papers onto where you want your heart to be. Make sure that you place the little papers evenly in between the heart. Then you're going to go ahead and glue the heart to that paper. Make sure to only glue it to the little pieces of paper though, not the whole white paper, so that when you open the card, the heart pops out. Just like that. You don't want to fold it inwards like that, you actually want to fold it outwards, which is going to make the card feel bulky, but that's okay. You're going to do the same thing with the smaller heart. You're going to grab a piece of paper, fold it into an accordion. You're going to place it in the middle. You don't need 2 because this is a smaller heart. And you're going to glue it on. Simple as that. Once you're done with your hearts, now it's time to customize your card. You can put whatever you want on the sides, just like I'm doing now. Once you've customized your card completely, fold it up, and then you're going to grab another white piece of paper, and you're going to cover the back side of your card. This is just to hide the little marks that bleed through the paper. As you see, I'm securing the heart just a little bit. But if you don't need to, you don't have to. Once that's done, all you need is a little bit of decorative ribbon or string to tie that card closed. This step is optional, but it is my favorite step. I like this step because once they open it, the heart will just pop right out at them. And there you have it, folks, a beautiful Mother's Day pop-up card. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had fun and your card came out lovely. Happy Mother's Day, everyone!